Good morning to one and all. Today I Ankur Mishra of class 12 science will be going to explain about the topic colligative properties. First of all, I will explain about elevation in boiling point. After that, I will explain about depression in freezing point. So now let's come to the first topic, that is elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point, which is represented by the symbol delta TB. First of all, we have to know about the boiling point for working in elevation in boiling point. Boiling point. What do you mean by boiling point? The boiling point is that temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquids become equal to the surrounding pressure, or we can say atmospheric pressure. It is that temperature at which vapors pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Now further know about it. The boiling point of the solution is always higher than that of pure solvent. It is very important line. Let's read it again. The boiling point of the solution is always higher than that of pure solvent. Because why it is higher than? Because the presence of solute particles decreases the vapor pressure of liquid solvent, and then the higher temperature is needed to reach in boiling point. This whole phenomena is known as elevation in boiling point. Experimentally, we found that delta TB, which is elevation in boiling point, is directly proportional to the small m, which is molality. So delta TB, when we remove the proportionality sign, a constant comes, molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant, that is Kb into m. Now let's see the graph of elevation in boiling point. On x-axis we take temperature in Kelvin, and on y-axis we take vapor pressure in atm. You can see that there is one orange color line and one dark violet color line. Orange color line shows you the boiling point of solvent, and that next line shows you boiling point of the solution, and there are two green lines which tell you about the temperature difference. The first line shows is the temperature of pure solvent, and the another is one of solution, and this is that difference comes, that is delta TB. Now further know about it. If molality is equal to 1, then delta TB equals to Kb. What does it mean? If molality of the solution is 1, then the elevation in boiling points become equals to the molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. Now let's see its definition. Molar elevation constant may be defined as the elevation of boiling point when molality of the solute is unity. That's what I am telling. Molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constants, it may be defined as elevation of boiling point when molality of the solute is unity. Unity means 1. Now further talk about on its unit. Unit of Kb. Kb means that molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant, that is Kelvin kg mole inverse. How it comes? Let's see. Delta TB, we know that delta TB equals to Kb into m. So we have to calculate the unit of Kb, so we take Kb equals to delta TB upon m. So TB is the temperature in Kelvin, and m, small m, is the molality, that is mole per kg. So finally it comes kg, Kelvin kg mole inverse. There is one important note. In when we solve numericals, there generally it's not given value of Kb for water, means value of ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation constant for water is fixed, that is 0.52 Kelvin kg mole inverse. We have to remember it. It's not given generally in the numericals. Now the final expression for delta TB means elevation in boiling point, it's delta TB equals to Kb. Kb means that ebullioscopic constant into 1000. when we talk in grams, into W2. W2 means given mass, that is W2, and M2 molar mass, into given mass of solute, that is W1. So final formula comes, that is delta TB equals to KB into 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1. Now talk about the next topic, that is freezing point, means depression in freezing point, which is represented by symbol delta TF. And previous topic we have discussed, that is elevation in boiling point, which is represented by the symbol delta TB. Here also, like boiling point, we have to first know about the freezing point, then we can only proceed to the depression in freezing point. So let's see what is freezing point. Freezing point is the temperature at which the solid and liquid form of substance are in equilibrium. What does it mean? Means that solid form and liquid form, both forms are in equilibrium. This is called only freezing point. Further proceed on it. The freezing point of the solution is lower than that of pure solvent. Freezing point of the solution is always lower than that of pure solvent. This decrease is only called the depression in freezing point, and increase is called elevation in boiling point. Now see this note, what it is saying. TF means freezing point of solution is always smaller than that of T-F. T-F means freezing point of pure solvent. Experimentally, we found that delta TF, which is depression in freezing point, is directly proportional to small m molality. So when proportionality signs removes, a constant comes Kf, which is molar depressor constant or cryoscopic constant. In elevation in boiling point, there is molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant, but here it's different. Kf, molar depression constant, or we can say it another name, cryoscopic constant. Now let's see the graph of depression in freezing point, what it is saying. Similarly as elevation in boiling point, take x-axis temperature in Kelvin and on y-axis take vapor pressure. You can see here are three lines and two straight lines. First line is showing, it is written, you can see that I am zooming it. You can see frozen solvent, means it is line of frozen solvent, and the another orange color lines which there is written liquid solvent, that is of liquid, and that is purple one is of that solution. And in downside we can see that TF and T-F. What does it mean? Its temp difference, it is only known as delta TF, which is depression in freezing point. Similarly, there are also values for Kf. Kf means molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant for water, that is 1.86, and unit is that Kelvin kg mole inverse. T naught F minus Tf equals to Kf into m, which we have discussed previously. Now the final expression is that m molality is equal to W2 upon M2 upon W1 upon 1000, means given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute upon molar mass of solvent upon 1000. Substituting this value in molality equation, we get delta TF equals to Kf into W2 upon M2 divided by W1 upon 1000 for converting in gram or give from gram. Okay, let's see the another line, what is saying. Delta TF is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000, and that W1 into M2, which is in denominator of W2. If we have to calculate M2, then simply replace value delta TF in denominator by M2. Okay, let's proceed further. There is one note, the value of KB and KF depends upon the nature of solvent can be accentuated from the following relation. These two are very important relations for the Kf and Kb. Let's see, Kf is equal to R into M1 into Tf square divided by 1000 into del fuse H, and Kb equal to R into M1 into Tb square upon 1000 into del Vap H. Del fuse H and del Vap H, what the enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization. R is gas constant, M1 into Tf square. Similarly for Kb, there is only one difference in them, that is enthalpies are changed, and in first there is Tf square and in second for Kb there is Tb square. Coming to the last topic, that is modified form of colligative property. What does it means? When there is association or dissociation between molecules, we add want of factor that is represented by symbol small I before that formula of colligative property. In case of dissociation, we have to remember that molecular mass decreases, and in case of association, molecular mass increases. So when we write elevation in boiling point formula in modified form, we have to add small I, that is, you can see want of factor, it is written on the screen, I into Kb into M. The formula remains same, but it's only want of factor is added. Similarly, in depression in freezing point, I into Kf into M. The formula is same, only want of factor I is added. Thank you.